I saw an article in Good Housekeeping magazine that talked about making a really quick chocolate mousse, and I thought, ooh, I have a recipe for chocolate mousse. I actually have two that are vegan, and this one though has heavy cream and marshmallows. So I'm going to show you a vegan way to make chocolate mousse that probably is even better than this. Stay tuned. When I make this mousse, I put it into these little glass dishes, into 4 of them, and they set up in the refrigerator. So let's get started and I'll tell you exactly how to make it. We're going to start with either unsweetened almond milk or unsweetened soy milk. Either one. I prefer the almond milk, and we're going to heat it on the stove. The thing is, you don't want to boil it. You just want to bring it to steaming. Now, just keep the flame really, really low because you're going to need to chop up some baking chocolate. And we're going to use a combination of unsweetened chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate. Now, semi-sweet sounds like chocolate chips, but don't put chocolate chips in here. Get the baking chocolate. And we're going to use 2 ounces of the unsweetened and 3 ounces of the semi-sweetened. Now, in between there's another chocolate called bittersweet. My grocery store doesn't carry it, but if you want, you can buy the bittersweet chocolate if you can find it and use 5 ounces. Chop it up pretty small, and then we're going to have also some other ingredients. We're going to put it all in the blender while the milk is heating. So we're going to put the chocolate, maple syrup, vanilla, and a little bit of cinnamon into the blender. All the ingredients are listed in the description box below the video. Now, if you want to kick it up a notch and you want to make a spicy mousse, you can also put in a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, but I'm skipping that because that's not how I like my chocolate mousse. Once the milk is ready, and it's actually steaming, you want to see that steam coming off the top, but not bubbles, just the steam. You're going to pour that into the blender, put the lid on really tightly, and then you're going to blend it on high for, I don't know, till you don't hear any bits of chocolate, because this process is going to melt the chocolate and chop it up into smaller amounts all at one time. You might need to stop the blender and scrape down the sides at one point. I just dare you to not lick that spatula afterward. All right, then give it one more spin. And once it's done in the blender, you're going to pour it into your dishes and then put it into the refrigerator for at least 3 or 4 hours. All right, and here it is. Let me give it a taste. So good. Now, mine's only been setting up for about 2.5 hours. I wanted to set for a little bit more, but I needed to get this video done because I have a new lens on my camera and I need a little bit of daylight and a little bit of fake light. So this is so easy to make. You might want to check out my other video that I have. It's another vegan chocolate mousse, but it is a raw chocolate mousse and the basis is avocado. And you can check out one of my videos like that one or another one by clicking one of the images on the right side of the screen, or mouse over the upper right hand corner, a little eye appears. And if you click it, you'll see some other videos on related topics. Thanks for watching. Bye.